Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by deciding the single message you want to sell and why it matters to your viewer. Once decided, set your phone to 4K or 1080p in lock exposure and focus so shots stay consistent. Frame 3 quick scenes, a strong hook, a clear product demo, and a call to action. Make sure to stabilize the phone with a tripod or grip and test audio. Good sound makes viewers trust the ad more, so always use a lavalier or directional mic when possible. Once you have your footage, you move into a tight capture-to-edit workflow so you can iterate fast. Import clips into a mobile editor and trim to the rhythm of the hook. Short clips keep attention. Make sure to add captions because many watch muted. Captioning also boosts clarity. Match color and exposure across shots so the sequence feels professional, and place music under dialogue at about 10% so it supports, not overwhelms. Export test versions for platform-specific aspect ratios before finalizing. You finish by exporting for the platform and then testing performance so you can learn quickly. Use the right aspect ratio and an MP4H, 264 export with 612 Mbps for crisp playback. Once uploaded, a /B test thumbnails and the first 3 seconds to improve click-through and retention. If you see issues like audio pops or sync drift, stop, realign the audio in-app, or swap to a cleaned WAV and re-export at a stable bitrate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.